It's never a pleasant experience visiting a hospital. There are the long lines in the waiting rooms and mounds of healthcare and insurance forms to be filled out. But it's a growing need in Asia. Healthcare spending in the region passed more than $1 trillion last year, and that's expected to at least double in the next 5 years. As a result, some companies are now looking to technology to reduce the admin and improve the treatments.
The leading technologies that influence what we're doing here is starting with mobile. You know, people now carry extremely powerful computers in their pocket with a lot of sensors in it.
Philips is also exploring the use of wearable technology. It says inventions such as Google Glass may one day be used in surgeries. Data storage has also become so cheap, it's helped the company store mounds of information and develop machines that can create 3D models of hearts that cardiologists can use. But how much will technology really change things?
I believe it will transform healthcare because of the big need out there, the need to deal with people in rural areas. You know, you go to China or India, you have a difference, you have a scale issue that you need to deal with. But through technology, I believe we can almost leapfrog. For instance, already today here in Singapore, through the data we can analyze whether a patient is ready to go home and what the probability of readmission will be, purely based on the data. And we only have a small set right now. Now imagine, if we have millions and millions of patients, then suddenly we see much more. And the more we see, the better we can apply it to the treatment.
But what are some of the biggest obstacles to implementing this technology and utilizing all this data analysis?
The business model has to change in terms of, you know, we're not doing everything physically in proximity. We have to do work remotely. So can we adjust the way of working to that? And these things tend to take a little bit longer than actually the speed of technology.
Asia's ability to adapt to new and possibly very expensive healthcare technologies remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure, given the region faces a rapidly aging population, there is a rising demand for a new way to handle that hospital visit. Alicia Chi, BBC News, Singapore.